Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Carfax has certified this Avalanche as having one owner. This Avalanche has just under 128,500 miles. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Avalanche boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, auxiliary audio input, tow package, driver airbag and sports seats. Call 800-264-3927 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.